Hello everyone, welcome to Mech-In-Tech. So in this video we will see distinct keyword. Okay, so why we are using distinct? So distinct is used to remove duplicate values. Duplicate values. Okay, and if I want to comment this line, what I will do? I will select this one. After that, press Ctrl K and Ctrl C. It will get comment. Okay, and if you want to remove the comment, then Ctrl K, Ctrl U, or you can use this one also, this option also, to make your line comment, or you can specify two hyphens, one two, then also the line will get commented. So now let's see how we can use distinct keyword. So for this one, I have added some duplicate values in employee table. So if you can see in this table we are having some duplicate values. So for example 101 ID and 101 ID. So these two IDs are duplicate. If you see here, these two rows are duplicate. After that this one and this one also duplicate. After that this one and this one also duplicate. So in this table we are having few duplicate entries. So if you want to remove duplicate entries using distinct, so how we can achieve this one? So let's see. So query for removing duplicate is select star from employee. Okay, and before star you have to specify distinct keyword, distinct, distinct star from employee. Now you can see here we are having 11 entries, but when we run this one, that time we are having only 7 entries. So it means all the duplicate values are removed. Now suppose if you like, one more scenario, like suppose you want to get only unique department. Okay, in that case what you can do? So in that case what you can do, you can just specify the column name. So if I want to remove duplicate, if I want to see unique department or distinct department, so what I will do, I will just write query select distinct department from employee. So it will give me only unique departments. Now let's see one more example of distinct. So now what we will do, like just will do select star from employee. Now see, we are having salary column also. Okay, so what we will do, we will try to get distinct department and salary too. So now if I run, you can see unique department with unique salaries. Now if you want to cross check, we will run both the table at a time. So in the first window we are having output of select star from employee, and in second window we are having output of this query. Okay, so if you see app developer, so where's the app developer here? So this having 60,000 salary. Okay, and let's take example of data engineer. So data engineer here, so these two having same salary. Okay, so what we are getting, unique department name, that is data engineer, because if you can see below also we are having two data engineers, above also two data engineers, and salary also same for all the four data engineer. So what distinct did, it take only one data engineer and one salary. Okay, same for DBA and same for trainee. As you can see here, trainee having 30 and here also trainee having 30. we will insert one row. Okay, so let's insert into employee values. So I will insert this row. Okay, row will same, only salary will change. So as id is integer, so we will keep it without quote. After that we are having name is a string, so we will enclose it in single quote. So after that department also string, so we will enclose it with single quote. After that salary, so now I will put salary is equal to 34,000. After that mail. After that file. Now I will run this one. Oh sorry, here date also we have to enclose in single quote. So now execute. Now see one row affected. Now see in select star from, see we are having this row. Okay, now what I will do, I will run the same command. Now see, here is the difference. Earlier what we are having, unique department, okay, but and unique salaries, but now in this case what we are having, if you see carefully here, we are having two department and two different salaries. Now you may have question like we are applying distinct function and why we are getting two dbas. Okay, so we are having for two department, that is dba, we are having different salary, that is 34,000 and 50,000. That's why we are getting two dba in department. Okay, if we remove this one salary part and then if we try, then we'll get only 1 dBA here. See here. I think now you are having good understanding of distinct, like how to use distinct.